Often we talk about the effect the subprime crisis has had on the markets without actually considering the effect it has had on the average Joe. Community Capital Management's CRA Qualified Investor Fund has consistently profited with community-oriented, mission-based investing while lending a hand to in-need Americans caught in the wake of the subprime crisis. In this vodcast, Alyssa Greenspan of CCM highlights this type of investing.
Socially responsible investing, or SRI, is typically thought of as having three components: shareholder advocacy, negative screening, and then community investing. We believe that mission-related investing really falls within community investing, the sort of the third prong of SRI. And basically, mission-related investing is an individual or institution that is investing according to its mission or its purpose while seeking to reach market rates of return or better.
How does this method of investing help those affected by the subprime crisis?
We're looking to work with state agencies and have actually have discussions with a few of them on securities that they're trying to come to market with that would affect those individuals, those borrowers affected, either are in foreclosure or are heading towards foreclosure. We believe programs that, such as credit counseling and other programs that would help these borrowers so it doesn't happen again, are really, again, within the nature or the spirit of CRA.
Why was the fund originally created?
It was actually created to assist banks with their Community Reinvestment Act investment test strategies. It has now grown to include individual investors as well as non-financial institutional investors who are interested in a community investment type vehicle that also strives to earn market rates of returns.
Could you talk about the fund's performance? Does this idea work?
The fund has been around since August of 1999, and it has a consistent long-term track record of producing market rates or slightly above market rates of return while investing nearly $2.4 billion in securities that are positively benefiting communities, community and economic development programs throughout the United States. The fund has consistently ranked in the top half of all mortgage funds according to Lipper data, and through the end of March, March of 2008, the performance was about 5.5% annualized return since inception.
Can you talk about some of your latest projects?
A lot of investments recently, actually over the life of the mutual fund, again going back to 1999, the fund has invested over almost $2.5 billion in securities that promote economic and community development throughout the United States. Some recent investments include adaptive reuse, which basically means converting formerly abandoned buildings or industrial sites into affordable rental housing complexes and programs.
It has been argued that predatory lending was one of the causes of the subprime crisis. How does the Qualified Investor Fund avoid predatory lenders?
As a matter of policy, we have never engaged or been engaged with any entities that do or have been involved with predatory lending. We have a screening process in place so that the broker-dealers and the mortgage originators that we work directly with to source product and purchase product from or sell product to are not involved with predatory lending. That being said, we believe predatory lending has been a major contributing factor to what is going on with the housing market and the foreclosure rate, and we simply just think that it's bad for business.